All right, hello, my name is Caleb Young. I'll be doing the fuel system of the Piper Archer. All right, so a little info about the fuel system. The Piper Archer has two 25-gallon tanks on each wing, but only 24 gallons are usable for each. We use 100 or 100 low lead. Here I have pictured 100 low lead in the blue. If you use 100, it's green. You cannot use them interchangeably. Use one or the other. We have the fuel selector here. You can switch between left, right, and off. To prevent yourself from inadvertently choosing off, there's this little button here you have to press if you want to turn the fuel selector off. Yeah. All right, here we have the fuel system right out of the POH, section 7-7.19. Let's see. We have the left and right tank. We have two drains here, which is where you will sump the fuel for water and debris. We have two vents on either side. This is to, if you fill up the tanks too much, the fuel will leak out of the vents. Also, mid-flight, the vents allow air to enter the tanks, so it doesn't create a vacuum, which would be bad. Let's see. We have the two float sensors here on either side, which go to the Garmin engine airframe interface, which takes that data and sends it to the MFD, which tells you how much fuel you have, the fuel indication. Let's see. So the fuel goes through the fuel selector. You can choose your left or right tank. For Cessna, you can do center as well, where you can draw from both tanks at the same time. We can't do that because we're not gravity fed. We are engine fed. So then the fuel goes through the firewall, which goes through the engine, past the cabin. We continue down through the filter and drain. So the fuel is filtered, and then the drain is on the side of the cowling, where you can also sump the fuel. We have the electric fuel pump, which is used by when you turn on the fuel pump switch on the overhead switches. This is only used to when priming the engine before starting. Also during takeoff, landing, any low level maneuvers, basically as a standby backup should the engine driven fuel pump fail, which is our second item, the engine driven fuel pump, which is kind of self-explanatory. It's kind of like, yeah, sorry. Then you have the fuel injector servo regulator, which dictates how much fuel and mixture or fuel and air go through the mixture, which is controlled by the mixture lever. Then it goes through the fuel flow transducer, which measures how much fuel is going through to the engine, which this goes to the also the GEA, the Garmin Engine Airframe Interface, which then goes to your PFD and MFD, which tells you how much fuel flow is going to the engine. So then after the fuel flow transducer, it goes up to the distributor, which distributes the fuel evenly, the fuel air mixture evenly to the four nozzles, which go to the four cylinders on the engine, which we have four cylinders. Four-cylinder engine. Yeah, that's about it. Source, I got this from the POH section 7.19. Fuel system found in pages 746 to 748. Thank you.